In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to quickly reorganize your content without copying, pasting, or creating any extra clutter. This works great for text, headings, lists, images, and most other blocks you'll see on a Notion page. First, open the Notion website in your browser and sign in so you're looking at your workspace. Next, open the page that contains the content you want to rearrange. Think of a Notion page as a stack of blocks. Each paragraph, heading, to-do item, or image is its own block, and drag and drop lets you pick up any of those blocks and move them somewhere else on the page. Now, find the specific text you want to move. Hover your mouse over that text. As you hover, look to the left edge of the block. You'll see a subtle handle appear, usually a 6-dot icon. That's your grip. Instead of selecting the text itself, place your cursor on that handle. Click and hold the handle, then begin dragging. As you drag, Notion shows you exactly where the block will land. Watch for the thin blue line that appears between blocks. That line is your drop indicator. Slide the block up or down until the blue line is exactly where you want it. If your page already has columns or nested content, move your cursor slightly left or right to position the blue line inside a column or under a toggled section. When you're happy with the placement, let go of the mouse to drop the block into place. If you're moving something a long distance, keep holding the block and move your cursor toward the top or bottom of the screen to auto-scroll. Go slowly so you can see the blue line and avoid overshooting your target. If you let go and it lands a little off, don't worry. Just grab the handle again and drag it to fine-tune the position. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're grabbing the handle, not the text selection. Otherwise, you'll highlight the text instead of moving the block. This approach works consistently for headings, bullet points, quotes, images, and more, so you can quickly reorder sections to improve the flow of your page. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, open your page, hover to reveal the handle, then click, hold, drag, and drop the block exactly where you want it. With a bit of practice, you'll be reorganizing pages in seconds and keeping your workspace clean, clear, and easy to navigate.